Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Khalid.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in scratching Andrew's account, Techno468.
So today I'm going to show you a project that I remixed called AMONG US POLUS MAP. So I remixed the original map and I'm trying to make the game of Among Us in Scratch. So I did a lot to the project. So today we're going to do part 1, which is the report button. So I got the report button from the internet and I uploaded it here. So let's see the code. So when green flag clicked, it will forever. If your mouse is down or when you're pressing with your finger if you're on an iPad or phone, and body is not near, which is a variable, equals 1, and touching the mouse pointer, then that means, which means you are pressing the button, because I didn't do dead body, so it just picks a random number of seconds and then you can press it. We're going to switch costume to dead body report 2, so let's see the costume. Dead body report 2 is like when there's
a dead body is reported.
Yeah. So it's like there's this. Okay. Then it'll start sound, report body among the sound effects, so that's when you report a body, the sound. Then we're going to wait 2 seconds and then switch costume to report 0. So it will switch the costume to the regular costume, which is the
report button.
Yeah, so I did a ghost effect. So when if I clicked switch costume to report 1, so you won't start out the game as like you already reported it, and then it'll go to front layer and then set bodies not near, which is variable I'm not really using yet, to 0 because I can't make
because the imposter real.
Yeah, this is not online.
Can't kill so fast.
So when green flag clicked, it'll forever. If body is not near equals 0, then set ghost effect to 50. So because when the body is near, so I didn't make bodies yet, then the button will light up because you can report it. Yeah. So if there is no body near, I'm gonna set the ghost effect to 50, so like kind of blend in with the background, so it doesn't seem activated yet.
So people who play this one out, can't report dead bodies.
Then when green flag clicked forever, if body is not near equals 1, that means there's a body near, then the set ghost effect to 0, so it'll become the regular brightness because you can report it. Then when green flag clicked forever, pick 1 to 30 seconds, so pick random 1 to 30 seconds. Set body is not near to 1, that means there's a body near. But you can't see the bodies because I didn't make them. Then we'll wait 5 seconds and the set body is not near to 0. So by doing this variable, you can do these 2 code to make the report button available. So now
maybe you'll miss your chance reporting it.
Yeah. So now we're going to test out the report button. Whee! There's one imposter among us. So you will always be cooning right now. Okay, so the report button is ghost effect is 50 right now. Okay, because it starts out as 0 as a variable. Okay, we're gonna explore Polus while we wait for the report button to light up.
Task. I see a task. No, they're not actually light up.
Oh, I've light up. So now there's the sound and the animations. That's how now it goes back to ghost effect because, it picks. Oh, that was fast.
Yeah.
So it picks random 1 to 30 seconds. So sometimes you have to wait very long, but sometimes
let's go to
you can wait very slow.
Sure.
Yeah.
Laboratory. Yeah, I'm going to
There's broken glass.
Scan.
So I still didn't make the reporting yet, but it'll come. Yeah.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.